Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Color with the latest updates. In this short video, I am going to show you how if you have any old picture and then you want to make it in the color or you want to restore in the color, your picture already got scratches and then sometime our family pictures, old pictures, we have the old memories, so we don't want to lose it, so we want to restore that same picture as a color picture. So how you can easily do it by yourself at home, not go in the shop, so you can do it by yourself. So before we continue, if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's begin to our topic and then I show you the website that you can restore your picture in the color or take out the scratches from the old pictures. Okay friends, so we need to go first the website name heartpot.ai. So we type in the search bar heartpot.ai and then enter. So now you can see the website we open. Here you can see the all tools. So we click the all tools and then you can see here the many tools here. So we need to use here the picture restorer and picture colorizer. So first of all we need to restore our picture because take out the scratches from the picture and then after that we can color our picture. So we can restore our old picture to in the color picture. So we select the picture restorer. Then now you can see here the upload option. So we click the upload and then select the image we want to restore. We click and then open. Now here is asking if your picture has scratches or no. If your picture has scratches, you just select the has scratch and then click the restore. So once we click the restore, it may take 30 to 90 seconds to proceed our picture to restore, take out the scratches. So we just wait the 30 to 90 seconds to restore our picture. Now you can see on the screen our picture is ready without scratches. So we click to download and then we open. Now you can see here, if I zoom, there is no any scratches much, but previously got scratches. If I show you the previous picture, you can see here the many scratches previous and then just now we restore without scratches. So now it's turn to we need to color that picture. So we click again the all tools and then picture colorizer. So we select the picture colorizer and then here is colorization factor. So you can see here the colorization factor is 12, 15, 18, 20 and 25. But the default is 12. So we just remain the default and then upload the same picture just now we restore. So we just upload the same picture we restored it and then open, then colorize. We click the colorize. It take time 1 to 10 minutes. It depend on our picture. So now you can see here our picture is already done in the color. If I download the picture and then I open, if I zoom, now you can see here the three different pictures. The first picture is with the scratches and then second picture we take out the scratches and then third picture is with the color. So that is the simple and easy method we can restore our oldest picture and then old memories we not lose and then we keep our old memories with us in the color picture. Okay friends, so hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the new updates. So let's see you in the next video with the new updates. Thank you.